Hey guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, and we are going to be planning in my cute little Erin Condren planner. Now, there's been a lot of changes that I'm going to talk about it later on, probably once I figure out what's going on with everything, but I have not used my planner basically at all, if I'm being honest. Like, I've decorated it, I filled it out for a little bit, and then things happened. So I am going to talk about it later on, but I did want to decorate for the month of February and maybe even the first week. We shall see. We are currently on the second week. So we are currently right here. So maybe I'll like skip all the way to this page, or maybe I'll decorate. You know what? I'm just going to decorate the 14th of Valentine's Day. So it's been a whole long situation that's been going on. I'll talk about it while I'm decorating because there is a lot. But one thing that I do want to do really quick is actually change this cover. So I had this one for the new year, and now I want to change it to this cute little Valentine's Day themed one that I got at the Erin Condren store not too long ago. I think it was during Vlogmas that I got it. Oh no, I did it wrong. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it was during Vlogmas that I got this. And I got my name on it, like the whole thing. It was so much fun. Hopefully I did this right. I'm not even sure. Nope. I think I scooted this over too much. But I got this cover at the Erin Condren store during Vlogmas. I remember I was recording and I did it wrong again. What in the hell? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put these in little by little. Make sure I don't mess up. There. Perfect. And I got my name on it. So it says Anabel Olguin, which I love. But the reason why I haven't been using my planner and like writing in it is because for the longest there, I was struggling with a flare-up. So I was dealing with a rheumatoid arthritis flare-up, which really, really sucked. And I really couldn't write. And honestly, it put me in such a depressive episode because I didn't know like when it was gonna pass. Like it was just this constant struggle. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to like even help myself. Basically, it was just so bad everywhere. And I went to the point of starting to digital plan. Just because it was easier for me. I didn't have to put as much pressure. I kind of talked about it on my digital planner, kind of like an intro, you can say, to digital planning. By the way, I'm going to be using the Year of Planning Volume 2 by Whimsy Luxe. I just love her stickers. Clearly, like I use all the stickers every time. And like, look how beautiful this is. So I always do kind of the same thing of adding all the decorative stuff over here, and then I'll add some washi at the bottom. It's just more functional for me that way. And I'm gonna do that this time around too, even if it is repetitive, because it's what works. Now that I'm feeling a little bit better with my health, I can actually start writing in it. It makes me sad to see it not filled out, but it is what it is, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some of these stickers on here. I love Whimsy Luxe stickers. They're just so gorgeous. I'm thinking about covering this up because really I don't need it on there. So that's good for me. What I love about her stickers is that it has a sheet of decorative stickers and then you have a sheet of box stickers that match the colors perfectly. So it's always just, it's so convenient. Like you don't have to worry about looking for a box that matches. You don't have to worry about like really anything, and it's honestly truly amazing. I freaking love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make just a collage of pictures and go with it. My husband and I are actually going to a Bruce Springsteen concert on Valentine's Day, which I am so excited about. We're gonna go to Houston on that day, so that is pretty awesome. And we're going and coming back on the same day, which is a little stressful, but I'm excited just to do something that my husband really has been wanting to do. That's somebody that he's been wanting to see for a really long time. It's one of his best friend's favorite bands, and he actually passed away. I believe it was this past year. I'm not exactly sure when the exact date was, but it wasn't really long ago. But he really wanted to go see that band because he's never gotten to see him live. So I'm pretty excited to go. So yay. Thinking about maybe I put this little gift instead of this one. So maybe something like that, and then I can put a heart down here to fill it up a little bit. I should have put the pink one, but that's fine. It's no biggie. Okay, that's fine. And then I do need my scissors to clean it up a little bit. But one thing that I have done a lot is I've been trying a lot of planners, you guys. And it's a little, you know, concerning how many planners I've been trying, but I think I'm just desperate of trying to find something because it's just been a bit of a struggle trying to find something that actually works for me because of the, I was obsessed with using the Happy Planner line vertical, and they no longer have that. They no longer carry it, which is fine. I get it. Like, it wasn't really a planner that would sell out or that was popular in the community, so I'm pretty sure that wasn't profitable for them, but it was my favorite planner, and now I'm just kind of stuck, honestly, because this one, although it's an hourly layout, it has from 6 a.m., which my day starts at 7, which is perfect, but then it ends at 7. So I would need it to go at least all the way to 10, just because sometimes we do make plans that late. And then what I liked about the line vertical is that at the bottom, I had just enough space to add any to-dos that I had to do that didn't necessarily fit or have a time during the day. So I would just add them at the bottom and get to them whenever I had some free time. And then it had some space at the top for me to be able to fit my breakfast, lunch, and dinner situation. And that's like not possible in this planner, which I tried my hardest to make it work. So I'm kind of like, maybe I can, maybe I will. I don't know. I know there's other planners out there that offer similar layouts, but I think I'm kind of also trying different stuff and seeing what else I can find. But that's been also another setback with, I would say, another thing that's discouraged me with like being consistent in my planners. But anyways, I think this looks cute. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some washi that matches. So give me just a second, let me grab that. Guys, so I got 4 washies, and I think because these two are too red, this one's too red and this one's too light pink, I'm gonna use a combination of these two, which are both from the Happy Planner. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see what we can come up with. I'm thinking about doing like this like tear situation type of thing. I don't know, honestly. I see what people are doing out there and I'm like, I want to try that. So it's kind of what we're doing here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it that way, and then this one I'm gonna go ahead and it's the one with the little kisses. I feel like this one matches so well. I'm just gonna put this like maybe like across like this. Okay, that looks cute, adorable. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, this washi's a little stuck, but there it goes. Okay, so I feel like that's enough. I've been a little like, I feel like I haven't been using as much washi, which is honestly like so interesting to me. Because I love washi, but I haven't been, I feel like I've been obsessed with like buying washi from like Coffee Monster Co. But yet I don't really feel like I have a lot of stickers that match that washi, and I love that washi so much that I don't even want to like use it because I feel like I would be wasting it. I think for this one, instead of putting it at the top, I'm going to put it at the bottom. Oh, there's like a little mark right here. I'm going to remove that. Okay. So maybe that much. Yeah. Cute. Okay, I think that looks adorable. I love it so much. Well, I think I'm done with this. Like, so cute. And I obviously am going to use the, should I use like a couple of boxes? Because technically, let me see. We are going to go to the Bruce Springsteen show. I have an appointment on Tuesday morning. So let me add a little box right here because it is at 8 a.m. Like it's like at 7:30 or 8 a.m. I think it's 8 a.m. But I need to leave early. So I'll put that there. And then we have the Bruce Springsteen show, which we're going to leave around noon. So I'm going to put that at the noon time. Put it right here. Oh, no. Okay, probably should have centered it, but that's good enough. I think that looks cute. And then I believe that's really all we have going on that week. And then I don't work till 11 o'clock that day, which I don't feel like I have to mark it just because I don't think it's necessary, honestly. And I think that's good enough. If I need more boxes, like clearly I know where they are, so I can just add them as a week goes. But anyways, I think this looks gorgeous. I love it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.